There are a huge number of rolling tool bags on the market that come in a variety of shapes and sizes. The best rolling tool bags will have rugged wheels that can easily roll on rough terrain, give you easy access to your tools, and have plenty of pockets for tool storage. On the other hand, a bad rolling tool bag has fragile wheels and offers little to no tool storage. A complete waste of money. So to help you separate the good from the junk, we've listed the top rolling tool bag for electricians available in the market. Let's dive straight into reviews.
Introducing the DGL 571 18-inch lighted roller tool bag. Its large, sturdy telescoping handle extends for fast transport of heavy loads. The heavy-duty wheels provide easy bag movement over rough terrain. With a magnetic folding zipper top, you can conveniently attach to the telescoping handle for full access to the main compartment. The DGL 571's large interior holds most large power tools and accessories, while the 6 multi-use pockets inside and the 11 outside help to organize a wide variety of hand tools. A handy integrated 3-level LED light system is located on the handle and can swivel to light work area or bag contents. The DEWALT DGL 571 18-inch lighted roller tool bag. Guaranteed tough.
Experience ultimate versatility with the most durable rolling bags in the industry. When moving tools around the job, you need a solution that's designed to help you stay organized and survive the harsh conditions of the job site. Look no further than the Milwaukee 18-inch and 24-inch rolling bags. We've designed the 24-inch rolling bag with a hardtop construction, making it easy to stack extra items on top. Wheels and axles are usually the first to go on competitive rolling storage solutions. Our all-metal rims and through axle, paired with an industrial-grade extension handle, make these the most durable rolling bags on the market. To take it even further, we've designed metal reinforced skid plates, and we utilize 1680D ballistic material to ensure that these bags will survive the most brutal job sites out there. Organize your tools and accessories the way you want. We've even added a padded tech pocket for computers and tablets. Experience ultimate versatility with the most durable rolling bags in the industry.
CLC TechGear presents the L258 lighted handle 17-inch roller bag. The L258 offers a sturdy telescoping handle and heavy-duty treaded wheels that offer easy movement over rough terrain. The L258 features 6 multi-use pockets inside and 11 outside to help organize a wide variety of hand tools and accessories. The magnetic folding zipper top conveniently attaches the handle for full access to the main compartment. The spacious interior holds large power tools for convenient transport to your job site. With a built-in LED and the rotating handle, the 3 levels of output can easily direct at your work area, or in the tool carrier to help identify tools and parts. Take the shop with you with CLC TechGear.